McLeod Ganj is a suburb of Dharamshala in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. It is also known as Little Lhasa because of its large population of Tibetans here. In 1959, after the 10th March uprising in Lhasa, China's Communist Party took political control of Tibet. This followed a decade of increasing violence. On 17th March 1959, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama began his escape into exile to India. His small entourage was eventually followed into exile by more than 150,000 Tibetans. With the help of Indian government, all of them managed to settle down in different parts of India. His Holiness the Dalai Lama chose McLeod Ganj as his residence and the headquarters of the Tibetan government-in-exile, which treats the McLeod Ganj as its capital-in-exile.
How to reach McLeod Ganj? A number of state-owned and private buses connect McLeod Ganj and Dharamshala with cities like Delhi, Chandigarh, Manali, Kulu, etc. Also, the Kangra airport at Dharamshala is about 20 kilometers away from McLeod Ganj and well connected to Delhi, Kulu and Chandigarh. However, we have chosen a HRTC AC Volvo bus from Manali, which took around 6 hours to reach McLeod Ganj. Where to stay in McLeod Ganj? There are many staying options available in McLeod Ganj and Dharamshala. You can just Google it and book according to your budget. We have booked Redeem Cafe, which is a cafe cum stay near McLeod Ganj. We will leave the link for you in description box.
Hi friends, good morning. I am Tushar and once again very warm welcome and hope you all are doing very good. Today we are at McLeod Ganj, which is also called as Little Lhasa. Morning we have reached and decided to explore first Namgyal Monastery, which is also known as Dalai Lama's temple as well. So we are very much interested and very happy to take you through the Namgyal Monastery as well as that CTA. CTA means that Central Tibetan Administration.
After getting fresh and having some breakfast at Redeem Cafe, we are all set to explore McLeod Ganj. Oh, we just missed to tell you that we have rented a scooty from McLeod Ganj market for next 3 days to explore different places of McLeod Ganj and Dharamshala. Our first destination is Namgyal Monastery, which is also known as Dalai Lama Temple, as this is the residence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
The Namgyal Monastery or Namgyal Tantric College was first established in the 16th century in Lhasa by the second Dalai Lama. And it was established so that Namgyal monks could assist the Dalai Lama in public religious affairs. The monks living here perform rituals for the welfare of Tibet and work as a center of learning and meditation on the profound Buddhist treatises. In 1959, when His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama escaped to India along with thousands of Tibetans, including hundreds of Namgyal monks, it was re-established here in McLeod Ganj. The monastery currently houses around 200 Tibetan monks. It's around 8:30 in the morning. Monks and locals are busy in preparation of prayer. As safety is a concern, cameras are not allowed in the most of the parts of this monastery. But it was so eye-catching and peaceful that we spent nearly 2 hours in the holy atmosphere of the monastery.
Our next destination is CTA or Central Tibetan Administration, which is located just at a distance of 2 kilometers from Namgyal Monastery. In 1960, His Holiness the Dalai Lama established Tibetan government-in-exile in Dharamshala, northern India, which is later known as Central Tibetan Administration or CTA. In CTA complex, there is a wonderful museum made by and for Tibetans known as Tibet Museum. The objective of this museum is to educate, increase awareness of Tibet and tell their story of exile to a global audience. Here, through different objects, photographs, archives and personal testimonies, you will get to learn about Tibet's historical, political and international importance, along with its culture, religion, recent history in exile and the teaching and legacy of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. It was a great experience to us and we will recommend this to all who wants to learn and study Tibet.
While returning from CTA, we met folk artist Hasdeep Rao playing Ravan Hanta at McLeod Ganj Market Road.
थैंक यू जी। आपका नाम?
मेरा हरफुल राम।
अच्छा, किधर से है आप?
राजस्थान।
राजस्थान से। कितना साल से आप बजा रहे हैं रावण अंता? ये रावण अंता है ना?
10 साल हो
10 साल हो गए। बहुत अच्छा बजाते हैं आप।
On the way back to Redeem Cafe, we also covered Dal Lake of McLeod Ganj. To be very honest, we found this place very low maintained and overrated. After taking some rest in Redeem Cafe, we went for an evening walk through the pine forest of McLeod Ganj, and thus we ended our day 1. Thank you for watching our video till the end. If you have liked our content and video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Soon we'll be back with McLeod Ganj Day 2 video. Till then, keep watching, stay tuned, bye bye.